Welcome guys. Today I want to show you how you can easily get Canva Pro for free. So you come to this website. It's called bingotingle.com. Then you're going to go down to where you're going to see social media. Yeah, there's a problem here. Just a minute. Yeah.
All right, scroll down.
Okay.
Good. Keep scrolling.
You're going to go down to where you're going to see. Yeah, let's come back here. You're going, where you're seeing the best social media platform. You click that and it's going to take you down to a place where there's a link. Okay, it's showing this one. So you're going to wait for this. You're going to wait for this file to be downloaded in 48 seconds. So you're going to wait for this countdown. And then also, just to add up, this Canva Pro is not going to last for long. So you just have to ensure that you check every now and then, check every now and then, check every now and then. Yeah, let's just wait for minutes and it's going to take some time, but it's going to be okay. So we wait here and then after this seconds are over, this countdown is over, the next thing you're going to do is it's going to give you a download link. So this download link is the one that you're going to use to go to the landing page. This landing page is where you're going to get the exact link to the platform. So yeah, it's over. So let's go to downloads. And yes, it takes you to this where landing page where you say there's getting here, get for free, SEO tools, then sponsored by Bingo Tingle. So you're going to come here direct where you say get here. Then you see is you've been invited to Abigail Gibson team. Yeah, so you continue. So let's say I already have a Canva account. So I will just log into my Canva account. And yes, it's taking me there. And yes. So let's just take a minute and it's going to take us there. Yeah. And definitely you can see like you've joined the Canva Pro team. So you wait for it to load for a minute and you can see here, welcome to Canva team. Yeah? So this is exactly what I'm telling you. So got it, then you come to got it. And then now you have the Canva Pro team. And let's do some testing. So I'm going to say, let me come to create. So I come to create, then let's say a TikTok video. Then I'm going to choose a template that is you're supposed to only access and a premium version. So you can see here where you are seeing the arrow. So this one is a pro. So I want to use this one. And definitely you can see, you can access this now. You have accessed these tools. So thank you for watching. In case you love such content, make sure you click here down and then you follow us for more. Share and like. Thank you for your time.